Welcome back, everybody. Oh crap. I think we are lost. I don't know. I really don't know. Yes, burn, skeleton, burn! Burn. Dang. Wait, where's that? Okay, we're close. I remember that. Oh! No, I didn't mean to! Screw you! I didn't mean to hurt you. I have just noticed this. They added the static kind of thing, like Slender. Like Slender. Just noticed that. Oh, I think I did. Yeah. That's crazy, man. Why do you want to be? Go hating on them like that, huh? Huh, dog? But go. Ah! I'm being killed by my own cactus. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Trying to get hurt here. Oh gosh. That's like dangerously close. Do we have any? No. Ooh. Okay. Okay, here we go. No, I can't really. Alright, that's enough. How am I gonna get through? I don't know. There. Alright, there we go. So the Enderman's gone now. Eat this pork chop. Eat this pork chop. So, I forgot all about that. Doing good so far. We got string now, so let's make a fishing pole. Alright, here we are. See if I can remember to do this. What the heck? Like this? No, it's just like that. Okay. Woo! Let's go fishing. Let's go ice fishing. Here we go. Break it. There we go. Dang it. It's like so hard. Oh. Yes, it's working. This way. Wait for it. Is it stuck? Wee. Look at this. Alright, here we are. Let's go fishing here. Just wait for. Okay! What the heck was it doing? Oh crap. There we go. Just wait for it. Oh. Stay there. Stay there. Is it supposed to be like that? Dang it. Fast, man. Plus my hand wasn't even on it. I'm not even ready. Okay, that's just gonna. Alright, let's do this. Yay, it's working. Or should. Yeah. Alright. Come on. Oh yeah. Well, it's working right now. So we got one fish. And I know if not enough to tame a cat. Not enough to tame a cat right now. We'll get some cocoa beans over there. Just wait. Why? Yes, we got it. Alright. Two more. Two more. Two more. If I can catch two more. If not, one. One. No, two more. Two more. Two more. Okay. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Come on. Watch it. Come on. There. Come on. Hey! No, that's too fast. Dang it. Okay. Oh. What did it? Oh, it's light, I guess. Alright. La 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 la. Yes. Alright, one more, folks. One more. One more. Do a little dance. Fish dance. Have you ever seen... No, what has it go? Tell me, have you seen breadfish swimming, the marvelous breadfish swimming through the ocean water?